Hey everyone, it's Friday morning, November 1st. Welcome to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, and let's talk about what was moving the markets yesterday. Before we dive in, a quick reminder, today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For personalized investment solutions and high-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. Well, let's just say big tech wasn't exactly the savior of the markets yesterday. Stocks took a hit, with the tech-heavy Nasdaq leading the slide, falling a rough 2.7%. The Standard & Poor's 500 dropped nearly 1.9%, and even the Dow was down about 0.9%. With these declines, both the Standard & Poor's 500 and the Dow ended the month in the red, snapping a 5-month winning streak. So, what happened? Investors have been hoping for a boost from big tech earnings, but reports from Meta and Microsoft introduced some worries. While both companies managed to beat estimates, they also announced they'd be ramping up spending on AI infrastructure, an exciting but costly move. That's making some folks nervous about profitability going forward. This mood spread across tech, hitting Amazon, Apple, and even AI darling Nvidia, which closed over 4.5% lower. After the bell, though, Amazon turned things around a bit. Their earnings and revenue came in ahead of expectations, giving the stock a nice bump in after-hours trading. Apple, on the other hand, saw a slight dip thanks to a one-time charge tied to a European court decision, which weighed on their earnings per share. On the economic side, we got the latest reading for the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index. It mostly matched expectations, so not a shocker, but it's the last key piece of inflation data the Fed will see before their policy meeting next week. Jobless claims also came in lower than expected, down to a 5-month low at 216,000, which points to some resilience in the labor market. Now we wait for the big jobs report coming Friday. That's it for today's rundown. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Sella, and I'll be back tomorrow to break down the latest. Catch you then.